Key Bridge to Indian Head, Maryland, until 6:15 p.m. At 4:50 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Key Bridge to 13 nautical miles west of Quantico, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Potomac Creek, Maryland Point, Nanchanoy Creek, Fort Tobacco River, Pennsylvania State Park, National Harbor, Quantico, Fort Washington, Tidal Basin, Reagan National Airport, Gunston Hall, Nipis Point, United States. 3019 Memorial Bridge, Mason Neck State Park, Woodrow Wilson Ridge, Indian Head, Occoquan Bay, Fort Hunt, Globe Street, and Brent Point. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash on Columbia, southeastern Montgomery County in central Maryland, northwestern Prince George's County in central Maryland, north central Arlington County in northern Virginia, northeastern Fairfax County in northern Virginia until 10:45 p.m.
The heck?
George County in central Virginia, southeastern Orange County in central Virginia, city of Fredericksburg in central Virginia,
no idea what just happened.
County in central Virginia until 6 p.m. At 5:14 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Stafford to 7 miles north of Monroe, moving east at 30 miles per hour.
I think that was the flash flood one of them earlier than all the time, just now getting around the tournament.
Radar indicator.
Got most of them.
Damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Stafford, Fredericksburg, King George, Fairview, Beach Creek, Potomac Creek, Nanchanoy Creek, Massaponax,
So how about yourselves before?
Stones Corner, Mine Run, Roseville, Garrisonville, Ironside, Locust Grove, Ramel, and Partlow. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Locust Grove, Snell, Rameth, and Partlow. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
George's County. Now for the National Weather Service marine forecast for the Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach. Thunderstorm warning for Caroline County in north central Virginia, central Hanover County in central Virginia, northwestern King William County in east central Virginia. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm at 5:30 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Spotsylvania to 6 miles west of Ladysmith to near Montpelier, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and any-size hail. Source, radar indicated.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Severe thunderstorms will be near. Ladysmith around 5:30 p.m. Ashland and Randolph-Macon College around 5:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Milford and Kingston around 5:55 p.m. Bowling Green, Hanover, and Dawn around 6 p.m. Fort AP. Till around 6:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Magog around 6:10 p.m. Fort Royal and Brunoville around 6:15 p.m. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, VA.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for tidal Potomac from Indian Head to... The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for tidal Potomac from Cobb Island, Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia. Tidal Potomac from Indian Head to Cobb Island, Maryland until 7:30 p.m. At 5:36 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Indian Head to 15 nautical miles southwest of Potomac Creek, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessels. Locations impacted include Yokosuka River, Breton Bay, St. Clements Bay, Westmoreland State Park, mouth of the Potomac River, Cobb Island, Point Lookout, Swan Point, Colton's Point, Coles Point, Namini Bay, United States. 3019 Memorial Bridge, St. George Island, Wicomico River, White Point Beach, Probst Creek, Tall Timbers and Piney Point. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern St. Mary's County in southern Maryland, west central Calvert County in southern Maryland, east central Charles County in southern Maryland, King George County in central Virginia until 6:30 p.m. At 5:43 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Lot Lake to Fairview Beach, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Waldorf, Lotlada, King George, Dahlgren, Prince Frederick, Nanjemoy Creek, Sheridan Point, Probst Creek, Howland Point, Port Tobacco River, Wicomico River, Golden Beach, Wicomico, Hughesville, Mechanicsville, Charlotte Hall, Cobb Island, Aquasco, Bryantown, and Pomfret. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Drum Point, Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia, Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Drum Point, Maryland, Choptank River to Cambridge, Maryland, and the Little Choptank River, Pawtuxet River to Brooms Island, Maryland, Tangier Sound and the inland waters surrounding Bloodsworth Island until 7:15 p.m. At 5:48 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 10 nautical miles northeast of Port Tobacco River to Maryland Point, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Greenwell State Park, Hooper Island Light, St. Leonard Creek, Solomon's Island, Nanticoke River Mouth, Cuckold Creek, Town Creek, Drum Point, Hongo River, Fishing Bay, Dares Beach, James Island, Bivalve, Richland Point Buoy, Calvert Cliffs, Taylor's Island, and Brooms Island. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.